We're here today in Franklin County, Missouri, where we just installed our hybrid polymer concrete as a bridge deck overlay on Route Y for the Missouri DOT. The hybrid polymer concrete is a unique material. It's strong like concrete, but flexible like asphalt. It'll carry heavy loads, but also has a high degree of flexibility. It will move with the materials that it's bonded to, whether that's concrete or asphalt. It has excellent bond strength. It's also an impermeable material, so that protects the rest of the underlying bridge from de-icing salts and other chemicals that cause deterioration of our bridges. We expect this bridge to have many more years of service, and the overlay itself we expect to last at least 30 years. We also utilized our specially engineered and designed Volumetric Mixer to produce the hybrid polymer concrete today. It's a two-part resin system, and we get a consistent mix at all times. We also have a specially designed and built paving machine that can put hybrid polymer concrete down from a half-inch overlay up to 12 inches if necessary. This material allows for the addition of a friction aggregate on top for added safety, provide not only a nice ride surface but also a safe surface.